Okay.
Wait,
The YouTube grind beats, we have something like that.
Hey guys, Valerie out here.
Oh my fucking God,
right
stop.
now, we're at Knott. Currently, as you can see,
Supreme Screen.
we're gonna have like a semi-montage on our
Man.
Oh, beach!
Sorry.
Anyway, so yeah, this is where we're at. We're on our way to get boba. So far we've gotten on the log ride. We gotten on Bigfoot Rapids,
Look, hang time. Show them.
Supreme Scream. Oh yeah, there's hang time. It's already running. It's open June 1st. We got on Silver Bullet. What else?
Supreme Scream.
We did already. I already said that. I already said the ones we got on. Oh, and then we got this
Jaguar.
one. Jaguar, and then Soul Sun or something like that. That's Swiss you. Soul and Sun are the same thing. But yeah, we got on those. We're right here getting boba. And we're gonna go to Ghost Rider after this. And I have to drag her everywhere, but so yeah. We're gonna do that right now, and then we're probably gonna do a montage of everything. So we're just waiting. Yeah. So we haven't posted in a while.
Sorry.
I recently got braces.
And I just look ugly as always.
Me too. So we just got right when we started recording, we got off of Silver Bullet, so we're kind of like weird. People are staring at us, but that doesn't matter. Oh my God. Bitch.
I've been in the kitchen, whipping. I've been chefing.
So we just spinned, as you guys saw, and we got a fast pass to Montezuma.
The guy's super chill.
Yeah, he let us switch it. If you guys come to Knott's and you guys want fast pass, just like go there. All you have to do. All you have to do is pay $5 cash or go get a game card and put as much money as you want in it, and you worth it. Hey, it's worth it because like you get fast passes for 2 people. So like we get to go to Montezuma's Revenge. That we didn't get to go to because the ride was like delayed or something. So
it was. I don't know what happened anymore.
Oh, true story. We got stuck on Voyage to the Iron Reef, and then we had a fast pass to Ghost Rider, but that was the last time we came, which we didn't.
With Sammy.
Shout out to her. So we're probably gonna go to the bumper cars next, and then go to Ghost Rider, and then end up leaving. Depends on the amount.
Okay, so that's it so far.
Yeah, that's it so far, and we're just gonna go record the rest.
Oh, anyway. Oh, fuck.
So some bipolarness just happened with Valerie's cousin. She's the one that is basically taking care of
Her body.
Why is it flipped like that?
Okay, wait.
What? Wait. Anyway, she's the one that is basically here with us because we're still
Her body got
minors.
paralyzed. Fun fact.
Shut up. But yeah, she just got mad.
We
somehow.
were like this. We're like, hey, we're gonna go to the ride that we got fast pass, and then
She was like, I don't care. I don't want you guys here. And then we were like, where's you gonna stay? She was like, no.
So that's why you don't tell her anything, and that's why
We have to leave like in an hour, so we're not really sure what we can do because Ghost Rider is a long line.
Look at that. focus. That's so beautiful.
So Ghost Rider is a long line, so we're not sure if we're gonna get to go to that one.
Hey, and if never mind.
So we're currently at Montezuma's Revenge, as you can see, and people are looking at us, but I don't care. Yeah, fast pass.
I've been in the kitchen.